Bentornata, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my Need It, Thinking About It, and Passing on It series, talking about new makeup releases. I always really enjoy doing these, and you guys seem to really love to watch them. So I'm very happy about it because it helps me, well, sometimes it helps me like save money because I'll be like, I'm not going to get it. And then sometimes you guys are like, no, you should, you know. So it's a whole thing. But anyways, it helps me kind of just talk about it. I love to just talk about makeup. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and let's go ahead and jump into this. Okay, so we are going to talk about things that I maybe like. So I have my Need It, which means I'm definitely going to get it when it's released. My Thinking About It, which means it's like kind of on the chopping block. I could go either way, but I'm not like super excited about it. And then things that I'm just not that interested in that I could pass on that I'm like, it's going to be fine. It's very weird filming in the dark. Like, it's night out, and even though I'm a night owl and I feel like I would like film so much at night, it's kind of good I don't, but my husband isn't home, so I'm just like, oh, okay, I have the house to myself. I can film, and the stupid lawnmowers, I swear that we don't need, pay $300 for this HOA, and I'm just like, what are you guys doing out there? They were going all day. Every time I push play on the camera, I'm just like, so frustrating. Anyways, I'm here now, so let's go ahead and get into this. So we'll start with my Thinking About It first. Estee Lauder is coming out with a collection. It is the Bronze Goddess collection. And I will say, this eyeshadow palette, even though I've never tried an Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette, looks so pretty. It just looks like summer. It looks really pretty. My only thing is like, is it super unique? Like, kind of reminds me of like my Natasha Sunset palette. I know I already have these shades, but it also still looks pretty. But it's not cheap. It's like in the $50 range. It is Estee Lauder, so I'm kind of just like, you don't need it, but it does look pretty. They are also coming out with bronzers in that line. And you guys know my obsession right now with the Fenty bronzers. Like, I know you guys thought that the one was too dark, but this is Beijing Gal all over my face right now. All over my face, you know, where bronzer went. I was not in the mood for foundation today. I was like, I'm not doing it. So, but I did use the bronzer, and I'm in love with both the bronzers. Like, I could get another shade during the Sephora VIB and still be like super happy about it. So, because I'm on that kick right now, I'm like, you do not need any new bronzers right now. So, maybe just one more Fenty, but not any other ones. So, I will probably be passing on this collection, even though I do think it looks gorgeous. It looks like summer. I'm just, yes, but no. Next, Lunar Beauty is coming out with single highlighters, and I love the packaging of this. I love the shade with like the peachiness in there. Like, I just feel like it's a gorgeous highlight. You guys kind of know I did have Life's a Drag palette, and I did like full tutorials on that. And then I kind of just got turned off by all that drama that I just didn't really want to support the brand that much. Not to say it's canceled. I would actually pick one of these up. I'm still thinking about picking one up, but I don't. The price point is $26, which that's not bad. I'm not saying that that's a bad price point, but it's $7.50 for shipping and for US. And I know that people who watch this from other countries are probably like, you should shut up now. But for me, I'm just like, I'm not paying that. Like, I'll wait until it's like, maybe, I don't know if Morphe still carries Lunar Beauty. No idea. But I'm just like not into paying that price point for shipping. Like, so that is why I'm just like, no. And like the minimum for free shipping is $75, and I'm not spending $75. So I will probably pick up one of these eventually. If you really want to see it, then let me know. But I'm kind of just like, that's like $33, $34 that I'll be spending on one highlight, so I'm kind of just meh. I'm also on this like fence right now with stuff because it is going to be the Sephora VIB sale in a few weeks here, and so I'm kind of just like glancing over new products, being like, okay, but you have the Sephora VIB sale. To be honest, I really just want a lot of lip colors. There's like so many lip glosses I want, and lipsticks more than like anything else. I don't think there's like one single eyeshadow palette or anything I'll be getting, but I really want new lip products. For some reason, I don't know. Makeup is just more fun. Like, lip products, I feel like is the one makeup product where you can change it out throughout the day. So I actually feel like I get my use out of products like that. Whereas like, you're not going to really change your eyeshadow or your concealer throughout the day, you know what I mean? So Lip products, I'm always willing to like kind of grow my collection, because I'm like, I could wear 4 different lipsticks in a day, you know? Or is that just me? I'm crazy. I could just be crazy. I don't know. But yeah, that is my thoughts on the Lunar Beauty. I think it looks gorgeous. I refuse to pay for the shipping price. If it was $5, I'd be like, understandable. But anything above 5, I'm always like, no. BH Cosmetics is coming out with some colorful eyeliners. You guys know I love my colorful eyeliners. I just don't really need any new ones right now. I'm kind of set with my ColourPop ones for at least a little while. So I would pick one up in store if I see a shade I really like, but it's not something I'm going to like run out to buy, you know? It's just okay for me. I've never tried BH Cosmetics other than like a lipstick, I think. And I think that's it. So I would maybe try some of their products. Please leave me recommendations below. But yeah, I can wait on that. And then lastly is the Kush Milk Makeup. They're coming out with a new mascara, a waterproof mascara, and they're coming out with a primer. So you guys are gonna laugh. But I did pick up a Sephora like little Kush mascara the last time Sephora had a sale, and I haven't opened it. I just felt like I had so many opened ones that I was just like, I decided to pick up a Lancome one at that time and tried that out, and then I had NARS Climax one, and I was just like, I don't want to open these and then it'll go bad. So I still need to try the original Kush mascara, and then maybe I'll aim for one of these. I do like waterproof mascara. I am a sweater in the gym. Man, sweat, like, it's bad. It's not a pretty sight. It's ugh. So I need waterproof mascara. That's just how it is. Things that I am definitely going to be picking up. I really only have 2 things in this category. I am going to be picking up the Jeffree Star Concealer. I'm interested in it because it is his first like face product. I don't know about the powders yet though. Like, to be honest, I have my Huda Beauty setting powder, and then I have my Fenty one, and I feel like I'm pretty good with those. Like, I don't need a new setting powder, so it would really just be for review purposes. So I'm kind of just like, do I get it? Do I not get it? Nah. And then I like the shade range. They've kind of showed a lot of swatches, but there's so many different undertones that I'm like a little overwhelmed to decide on what shade. So I am going to try to go to the store and swatch them, because I have no idea what to pick for my skin tone. I'm just kind of like, yes, I'm an olive skin tone, but that doesn't mean I want an olive concealer. I generally gravitate towards neutral concealers. I don't love rosy tones under my eyes, so I'm kind of just, I'm a little bit scared of like shade range wise, like what to pick. But yes, that will be up as soon as I get those, so make sure you are subscribed so that you know the tea on Jeffree Star concealers. Okay, the other thing is Fenty. We don't know what this is, but this is a picture, and I'm excited. Like, I wasn't so into the Moroccan Spice palette. I did not pick that up. But this looks like a super colorful look, and I'm just really hoping that like she expands on the eyeshadow range part of things. So I'm all about that color, and I can't wait to see what it actually is. But you guys know I do have a love for Fenty. I didn't love the highlight that I just reviewed. I will probably exchange that for something else, but yes, I am intrigued. I am moved. I am like, give it to me. Better be something good. I swear if it's like a mascara, I'm gonna be like, what is this? But we will see. Things that I am passing on. So I have quite a few here. Kylie and Kim are collaborating for a fragrance. I can say that word. Like a fragrance line, or like a fragrance, just a perfume, okay? Fragrance, whatever. I've never tried the KKW fragrances. I tried one in store and it was like a cherry one. I think the packaging is cute, but I'm not a huge perfume person in general, so this is kind of an easy pass for me. I still love the one that I had gotten the last Sephora VAB, and it's still pretty full considering I got a mini. I'm just really not a fragrance, like I like body mist more than anything else, and then I kind of only put perfume on like if I'm going out, but on a daily basis, I don't really use perfume. So it's an easy pass for me. Too Faced is coming out with Crystal Whips. And I feel like they missed the boat on this. Not because they're bad, or obviously I haven't tried them yet, but just like now we have, at first we had like Stila liquid eyeshadows, and then it was kind of like every brand came for that, and now we have so many drugstore options for that. Not the one I did from Target, that Starlit thing, that was awful. But there's also, you know, we have Flower Beauty that has those. I think Milani has some. Like, I don't need to spend a ton of money on a high-end product that's like this anymore, because I feel like I just have enough drugstore options that work just as well. So none of them are super unique anymore, and why pay that much, you know? It just doesn't make sense. Pur Cosmetics is coming out with a new foundation. One, I've never tried Pur Cosmetics in general. Maybe I've tried like one lipstick, but like nothing much, and it has nothing to do with like me not liking the brand. It's just something that doesn't really call my name ever. And I don't know. Sometimes in makeup, I just feel a little bit overwhelmed by things, and this is definitely one of them. I know that we all say that everything needs to have a shade range, and I completely agree. But I feel like 60 foundations is probably great. I feel like you could probably find your shade and be okay. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I don't want to offend anybody here, but this is 100 shades of foundation. One, I'm like, maybe you should try it out and make sure that people really love this formula and then make 100 shades. But 100 shades to me is just too overwhelming. Like, I will not, I'm just one of those people that doesn't need so many options to the point, like, I'm like the 30 concealers from Jeffree Star, I'm already like, which one do I get? And 100 shades just terrifies me. Like, I'm just like, I cannot even, like, no, I don't want to look through this. Like, it's kind of like going into Forever 21 or H&M. I don't shop there because like I can't. I'm overwhelmed by the amount of stuff that I just get. I'm just like, no, I can't be in here, and I can't do it. Like, I'm a very much like, I need just a medium selection of things, and I'm probably good. But yeah, let me know your guys' opinions on that. But like, I don't even want to touch it because I'm just like, it just makes my head spin. I don't know. I feel bad saying that because I know that a lot of people that aren't included in foundation range, now that they are being included, which is awesome. But I feel like now it's a game of who can come out with the most shades, you know? ABH is releasing a shimmer oil, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is kind of another thing. Lately, I feel like these are everywhere. And to be honest, I have the Fenty Body Lava and I have the Sol de Janeiro one. And I just forget to use them. They are just very, I don't feel like the average person goes out enough to like use one of these products in full. Like, it's just not something I get use out of, you know what I mean? Like, they're pretty, the idea is pretty, I love looking at them, and when I actually remember to put it on, it's great. But like, to spend upwards, like some of these are like above the $40 range. I have a super cheap one from Walmart that has champagne glitter in it. That's $5 and it works just as well and it looks the same. So I have been thinking about doing a body oil from the drugstore thing, because I don't feel like these like $40, $50, $60, I don't even know how much the Tom Ford one is. Like, it's just, it's not a product that I'm just like, that's worth it, you know? I'm like trying to talk here. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just, I'm hot. So yeah, that's an easy pass for me. I just don't think that the glitter is like, even though I really want the Patrick Ta one, I keep like going back and I'm like, but if it's on sale at the store for a BIB, I could get that. And I'm just like, no, you're not going to use that. Like, I more just want the fragrance of it because everyone says the fragrance smells so good, and I'm like, I just want to smell it. That's it. MAC is coming out with an Aladdin collection. I love the packaging, but I just don't buy product from MAC very much. Like, it's not worth it to me to buy stuff that's limited edition, even though I do love the packaging for it. So yeah, I'm gonna skip on that for right now. I would really like a Lion King collection. I'm really excited about the movie coming out. That was one of my favorites, The Lion King and like Jungle Book, just anything with animals. So I will look forward to one of those collections. But yeah, I'm gonna pass on the MAC Aladdin. I was never a huge Aladdin fan, and I feel like I've seen the previews for this Aladdin and I'm not that excited about it. Like, I don't think that she looks the way that she just doesn't match up to me as far, I don't even know her name. Jasmine, there we go. Light bulb. But yeah, the actress that plays Jasmine, I feel like I was like, no, doesn't match in my head. And that could just be me. I feel that way about a lot of things. Like Game of Thrones, I feel like it's everywhere now, like everywhere. Everyone's talking about it, everybody's excited about it. And for me, I'm just like, we waited so long for that first episode, and I was like, this was kind of not, even my husband, we were just both like, not much happened. I don't remember much, but from like past seasons, but like this just, I just don't understand how they're gonna like wrap it up in 6 episodes. Like, I'm just like, there's not, like, I hate it when shows feel like rushed at the end, and I just like, there's no way this isn't gonna feel rushed. That's just me. I'm being a little salty, I know. I'm hungry. Okay. Last thing I want to talk about, Pur Beauty. No. Just no. I'm so tired of all these brands coming out, and I mean, I'm happy for, you know, makeup artists, that makes sense. Influencers that love makeup makes sense. But I feel like a lot of these people that like Ariana Grande, and now it's the Bieber thing, and like people that you don't really like, they don't do their own makeup, you know what I mean? So I don't feel like they have that passion for makeup, or, you know, they're just slapping their names on something, and I'm just like, I don't want to support that. I want to support people that like really care and take time into their brands. I just, yeah, I don't know. I'm just not into this. Like, I don't even know what it's going to be, but I already know that I'm going to pass on it. So watch me end up buying something, I'll fall in love. That could happen. I'm not saying that this whole thing is set in stone, you know? My mind changes a lot. But are you guys a little bit overwhelmed with like how many, like, didn't Madonna come out with a brand? And then there was also, I feel like Lady Gaga, I don't even know if her brand launched, but I know it's coming out. Like, it's just so many people. At the same time, Fenty did it, and I love Fenty, so that's what I'm saying. I'm like, you can't really say anything. I think Jessica Alba, she's got Honesty. Never tried anything from that either. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that is it. There wasn't so many new releases, and just keep in mind Sephora VAB sale is about to happen, so that is why I'm not like trying to buy all these new releases, trying to budget for the sale. I like how we act like 20% is amazing. It's not that amazing. Like, really, I could just go try on stuff and then like go to the websites of the places now, and you can usually get the same discount, you know? So I don't know what it is that like draws us in. I think it's just the experience of going in store that I love about Sephora VAB sales more than anything else. But yeah, let me know if you guys want a video on my recommendations or my wish list for that. I'd be happy to do that. But that is it for me for today. Let me know which releases you guys are going to grab, what you're passing on, your thoughts, all that good stuff. I really enjoy talking to you guys, and it's like my favorite part of posting videos when you guys comment. So make sure you let me know. And that is it for me, guys. Bye.